Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and these are my new beautiful heels for all year round from Cape Robin. Up close, you can see how beautiful the green is, and it's a beautiful suede. I also really like that the clear strap is really comfortable. It does not bother my toes how other heels have. Also, the heel is a bit chunky, so that way I feel more stable when I'm walking, and underneath there's a grip, so I don't feel unstable when I'm walking. These are a great heel to have in your closet because it's perfect with any outfit. It doesn't matter if you're wearing jeans, if you want to dress them up, or even take them to work. They're the perfect heel for every outfit. I like wearing them with dresses as well. They're just really comfortable. I find myself wearing them all day and I don't feel that my feet are hurting at the end of the day. They are really elegant, especially for the price. So definitely add these shoes to your closet. That's my point of view.